Are you struggling to extract frames from a video in JavaScript? It can be a real headache when your code just doesn't work as expected. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I totally understand how frustrating it is when you put in the effort to write code, only to find that the output is not what you expected. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked, "I'm trying to build a function that extracts frames from a video in JavaScript, but the frames returned are all transparent images. Can someone help?" Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution. So what could be causing this issue? When frames are transparent, it often means that the video hasn't fully loaded or that the canvas isn't being drawn correctly. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's going wrong. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this problem in the future. To begin solving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the video is fully loaded before attempting to extract frames. This can be done by using the loaded data event listener effectively. Next, the user should adjust the frame extraction logic. Instead of using a while loop, we can use a set interval to draw frames at specific time intervals. This will help in capturing the frames correctly. Additionally, the user should ensure that the canvas context is cleared before drawing a new frame. This prevents overlapping images and ensures that each frame is captured correctly. Finally, the user should call the callback function only after all frames have been captured. This ensures that the frames array is complete before passing it to the callback. Fun fact, did you know that the first video games were created in the 1950s? They were simple, but they paved the way for the complex graphics we see today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach, shared by another user, involves using a reference to the video element in your HTML. They suggest creating a function called getFrame that captures a frame from the video. In this function, if the video source is available, a canvas is created to draw the current frame. The frame data is then returned as a JPEG image. This getFrame function can be called at the desired intervals to extract frames from the video. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your video is fully loaded and consider using a request animation frame loop for smoother frame extraction. This will make your function much more reliable. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to extract frames from your video successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. Happy coding!